What is up, everyone? This is Dre Trade. This is a weekend video, and we're finally going to talk about one hot stock. A hot stock, man. Workhorse. This stock has been hot just on Friday. Then closed up 13.17%, up $3, right? That's crazy. Now, I don't really talk about hot stocks like this a lot because personally, I'm afraid of them because you can make a lot of money, but you can also get your face ripped off. But this one, I am liking. I'm liking the run. I'm liking the setup, and I'm going to share that with you. All right, so what makes this hot? What makes it a hot stock? Well, number one, look at the percentage of the shares that are short, 29% short. That gives this stock some firepower. I actually remember when Tesla was trading like this, and obviously the shorts got burned. The stock is up like 600-700%. It's crazy. The same thing can actually happen to this stock. So I'm on FinViz, and you can see you pull up a stock ticker on FinViz, and it kind of draws you a quick some support resistance lines. And just looking at this, you can see how it broke above the diagonal resistance. All right, so it broke above with a vengeance, 13%. The volume, so, but let's go ahead to the real charts and check them out. Now you can see I draw my own resistance. I actually like price levels. They're absolute, right? I mean, hey, if I say the resistance is $25, then boom, $25, man. It's either $25 or it's not $25. All right, so you can see, look how it just blew above. So we saw on FinViz the diagonal resistance was actually broken, and I'll go ahead and draw that. It was something like that, right? So we got an explosion above the horizontal resistance and the diagonal resistance. So all of that looks good. That is fantastic. Now let's pull up the weekly chart on this. And this is where I actually get more excited about the trade. Let me get rid of this last line I drew and kind of zoom in on that. Now this makes it more easy, right? Without the noise. So we can see it breaking through that channel, right? 2350 for the most part, and 1530 we'll call it. It finally broke out through resistance, and look at the slow stochastic. I love the slow stochastic. It's the only indicator that I trade. I think it's more accurate than any other indicator, but you have to, I use price action as well. So you can see the last time it came up out of oversold territory, it was the perfect buying point. If you would have bought here, OMG, gosh, imagine you bought there and just held it to the top, you would have been up 1,400%. Not saying that this is going to happen this time, but we actually look at the separation on the slow stochastic with the slow line versus the faster line. I love it when it's separating like that. I love the big green body candle we got at the same time, along with breaking resistance. All right, so basically I'm saying this is a powerful move. All right, now I'm gonna get you even more excited. Well, before I do that, let's check out the monthly. I'm gonna get you more excited, but then again, I'm gonna give you a little caution. All right, so let me zoom in here. So this candle looks great. It's almost an outside month candle, even though the month is still in play, right? It's November 22nd when I'm doing this video. We still got another week or so. All right, but here's the danger, right? Look at those wicks. That's telling me there's a bunch of sellers up here. So when we get up in this area, it's going to be rough waters, especially when we reach the top. When we reach the top, there's definitely going to be some sellers there. That price is saying sell, sell, sell. And then we're going to see who wins at the time, the buyers or the sellers. But it's definitely going to be choppy waters. And if I go back to the weekly, you can see all of that action in there, right? Look at all this. Let me move this over a little bit. Look at all that action, right? Here, go to the daily. You can see it a little better. Look at all that action right there. These guys are ready to sell into this strength. So it is going to be a little choppy. What's the guaranteed trade? Well, first of all, you can do 2 trades off of this, right? You could actually buy it now. Now, I know being up 13% is crazy. You would want a pullback, but sometimes you don't get a pullback on this stock. You just don't. But you could buy it here. Here's your support, right? So you could buy it here and get out below support. You trade against that area right there, that 25. Let's call it the low of this candle, the 23.15, right? You could trade that as a stop right there, or you can just sit back, relax, and wait until it gets away from this area, right? $31, get in, and you could trade above this upper resistance right here. Now, you can get fake outs here. This area can be dangerous, all right? But once it clears this area, we should actually be clear sailings. As anyone who bought the stock, no one will be losing money at that point. It's actually one of my favorite places to get in. So there's a couple ideas on how to get in, but overall, I like the stock to go higher. I like the fact that the shorts is 29% shorts, and this is what really got Tesla just off to the moon, right? So there's my technical analysis on Workhorse Group. This stock has the potential to run much higher, especially if we can clear all of this area right here, all of this area. All right, so just keep an eye on it. That's my analysis. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you play Workhorse. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you made any money on it. Tell me your target that you're looking to get in on Workhorse, your specific trade. Put it in the comments. Let's share it with everyone. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Dre Trades. You hit me up on Instagram, Dre Trades, Twitter, Dre Trades, and right here on YouTube, Dre Trades too. Thanks for watching. Peace.